Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on GNANGSTUDIO 4D. Today I want to show you my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and how to install a beautiful theme on a beautiful Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus to customize this. This phone is unbelievable. It's so nice and so great. Wow, I like it. Now, look at. This is a Android One You here. Beautiful Android for you. Wow, it's nice. Very good. And I want to show how to install a beautiful theme too. Get ready. To do this, you need to unlock before your phone and go on a page like that on a home page. Hold this and you can see under themes to this, and you can see all of this. You will see the update under. Connect before to your internet. Okay, connect to your internet quickly like that, and look at that. Before doing this, click on view all, and on view all you can see your default theme, and you can download this theme. For example, as you see, you need to buy before you buy. Okay, this is a theme that you can download also. As you see, is good, and you can go back. You can try again, and as you see, many new themes appear under. Many new themes appear under. Okay, and you can download the theme that you want to install on your phone. There are many themes here. Wow, this is flying theme. Look at that. As you see, you can download. You can click under here to download like that, and the downloading started. Wow. Wait a few. Okay, now click on apply to apply this theme like that to customize your beautiful phone with this new theme. Look at that. It's great. Now you will see the change after. Woo, look at this theme, bro. Nice. So nice. Not bad. Not bad. I see. It's cool. It's cool. It's so nice. You are download and install your new theme. And look at that. Woo! Look at the new effect. All of your icons are changing. Wow, this is new. This is a beautiful theme that you can download. Have you seen how to download a theme? This is not all. Look at your keyboard. Wow, many change on your keyboard. I like it. Look at that. Many change also here. Beautiful. So great. Look at your camera. Your camera logo is here. Wow, so nice. Head panel. Woo! Look at that. Beautiful notification. Woo! Notification bar. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Wow, I like this theme. Look at that. You can activate the flash, deactivate, activate. Look at. Woo! Unbelievable. Do the same action. Settings. Wow, Look at your new settings, bro. Look at all of this. Wow, look at the effect. I like it. Everything, bro, is amazing. It's woo. It's so beautiful. Lock screen. Wonderful. Can you see this, bro? It's so nice. Look at that. Unlock your phone. What the hell? Look at that. You have customized your phone with a new theme. Wow. Contact. What the hell? Keyboard. Look at all of this. Wow. Power off. Wow. Great. It's so nice. What do you think? If you like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for the next video. Wow, so nice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share this video also and subscribe. I like you. I love you so much. Look at that. Wow, so nice camera. Okay, thank you. Subscribe today. Let's go to the next video. Wow, this phone is amazing. It's amazing, bro. I like it. Subscribe to for the next video. Wow, so nice. Last screen, beautiful.